this jet ski. He's gonna try to break the world record, his own record. He's gonna try to break it, and he's right there, getting ready, warming it up.
In this weather to do that, that's insane.
142 miles. That's so crazy.
New world record. Again. New world record again. Again. 142, baby.
He was like, nobody's gonna break my record. I'm gonna break my own record.
By 7.
Official 142. 142.
From race director. I got it. How long? 2 seconds? It was short. I couldn't count who flew over here. It shut off. Good job, man.
¡142
142 miles, guys. This is exciting. Crazy.
It's right there, baby!
Congrats, bro. Where your good luck charm?
Oh, felicidades, papu.
Vengo ahora, dame mi familia, vengo ahora.
Let him go to his family.
Vengo ahora, amén.
TRC is here in the house.
The boost, I was able to come back on tuning. Hey.
Don't listen anything. Especially this guy here. These Michigan guys, nothing. Don't believe anything he says. And this one too.
Never. Good to see you.
Well, guys, now we just started unlimited cars. These are the big guys. Turbo, Nitrous, 115 to 120 miles per hour. We just here. Rashed's here with a pro-stock Jetski that runs 83 miles per hour. So, but a Seadoo world right now. Look at this waves. So you never know.
So again, you'll have Delgado, boat number 44, on the inside, sponsored by SCRC. Aldawas on the outside, boat number 17. And he is sponsored by Calas Performance. Here we go. This is race number 2 as they work their way down the front straightaway. It looked like lane number 2. Rashed Aldawas. Rashed Aldawas moving on. Looked like Josiah's had some mechanical problems there in lane number 2.
You see what I mean? Which is having the man, the luck that we have is unbelievable that we have been having, and stuff like that just happened. That's crazy. And one of my favorite people here is this guy here. This guy is one of my favorite guys, man. He's a good guy. What's up, everybody? Where's Negro? All right, guys, so now it's Harold's turn to go unlimited. Remember, these guys are fast. Turbo Nitrous. So, here we go.
All right, looks like we're just about ready to go this way. This is heat number 4. Heat number 4 coming your way, Lake Alfred. All right, here we go. The green flag has flown, and on the inside, looked like lane number 1 with a great jump. That is Harold Ramos. Ramos, no stranger to that winner's circle. So Harold Ramos will go on to take on Eddie Pinares in heat number 8.
No red flag. We got that one too. Again, lucky again. These machines are so fast and they have so much horsepower that sometimes it's very hard to keep them from blowing up. And that's what happened to a lot of these guys, the Super Stock and the Unlimited. They blow up a lot. So you never know what's gonna happen. I don't know, I had so much luck and we keep having luck. Let's see what happens, let's move on. Oh man, Rashid's going against my favorite guy, Chris Caputo. Chris Caputo is a dear friend since he was a little boy. I know Chris, his dad, and his mom, his brother, a whole family for years. Good people. And he's gonna go against Rashid right now.
Chris Caputo Jr. being lane number 1, Rashed Aldawas, lane number 2. Winner goes on to take on Carlito. Loser will have it by in heat number 10.
Now, Chris ski is fast, and it's kind of like a hybrid. It's a weird jet ski that it's a Kawasaki bottom with a Seadoo top and a Seadoo motor, turbo and nitrous. So I know that ski, and I know that ski is fast. I used to work on that ski years ago.
Rashed Aldawas will move on in the winner's bracket, and he will be taking on Carlito de Valle in heat number 15. And Chris Caputo Jr. will go down, and he will be in heat number 10.
All right, looks like Rashid won. We're moving on, baby. All right, it looks like this is a bye run for Harold.
All right, Harold Ramos. Looks like he's going to get a bye run and go right in to round number 3. So congratulations, Harold Ramos.
All right, guys, he got a bye run, so we're moving on. All right, guys, so the next race, Rashid against Carlito. Carlito, to me, right now, is the fastest unlimited boat in this event. It's fast. Carlito's always been fast. He wins a lot. You cannot take that away from the man. He is fast. Water conditions are not his favorite. We'll see what happens. He is racing Rashed, that is in basically pro-stock jet skis. 83-mile-per-hour jet skis. It's all going to come down to time.
Well, we got Carlito in lane number 1, Rashed in lane number 2, and I believe we are just about set to go here with heat number 15. Look at that, lane number 2, Rashed Aldawas out of there in a hurry, but here comes Carlito at the end. We'll let you know. It was pretty tight.
Wow, that was a good race. That was tight.
Lane number 1 came back to take the win after a tough start, so Carlito de Valle moving on.
Carlito really tried really hard. Carlito won. I told you guys, Carlito is fast. Carlito, in my opinion, is the best rider and the fastest jet ski in this class. So he's a tough competitor. So I want to see him go against Harold. We'll see what happens.
So Micha Lopez, boat number 02, lane number 1. Harold Ramos, boat number 24, in lane number 2. Both of these racers still undefeated. Micha Lopez on the 02 and Harold Ramos on the number 24.
All right, guys, so Micha is fast. I always say it. He's talented. He doesn't let go of the gas. He can ride. So this is going to be a very tough race. So we got to see. I have no idea who's going to win this race because they both very talented.
And we are just about set to go here with heat number 16. Heat number 16 featuring Micha Lopez from CRT and Harold Ramos from Team Calas Performance. It looks like both riders set to go, and here we go. This is race number 16 on the outside. On the outside, it looked like it was Ramos. Harold Ramos in lane number 2, and that means Micha Lopez will go down to race in race number 18.
All right, guys, it looks like Michel didn't want to take the chance and fall and hurt himself. He's a veteran. I mean, he's been doing this for a long time, and he chose not to go. You know, that's the conditions are really bad right now. We'll see. It's lucky for us.
Okay, so coming up next, we should have boat number 17. Boat number 17, Rashed Aldawas in lane number 1, and Hector Alvarez, boat number 6, in lane number 2.
Guys, what a turnout. And over here is like money in the Seadoo. Look at this turnout. This is crazy how many people are here. This is just crazy. This is a good Hydrodrags. It's a lot of people and a lot of spectators and a lot of jet skis too. A lot of jet skis. Rashed just had a high run.
All right, looks like boat number 6, Hector Alvarez.
So it looks like whoever was on a race Rashed broke, and he just got a bye run. So he moves on.
All right, here we go. Once again, Carlito will be on the inside, and Harold will be on the outside. Winner will go on and race in the final event. The loser will go to take on the winner of the losers bracket. We've still got 2 races there left in the losers or consolation bracket.
All right, guys, so it's Carlito and Harold. Carlito's fast, I always say, and he can ride. So this is going to be very, very interesting, this race. I really don't honestly know who's going to win. It's going to be talent. Definitely talent is what's going to win this race, and who can hold the gas in through all those waves. It's rough up there.
Alfred. And there we go. 2 getting a good jump on the outside. It's a little sideways there. Wow. And I'll tell you, they were every which way but loose, man. Hold on to it.
Oh my God. I told you Carlito is a good rider.
Okay, they're going to a video review for the finish. They're going to a video review for the finish.
Video review on this. That's how close it was. Wow. Carlito came from behind, which it doesn't surprise me. A little Seadoo is not as fast as that Jetski. That Jetski is fast.
We'll let you know who the winner was as soon as we get. And it looked like they're saying lane number 1, Carlito de Valle, moves into the final. Carlito de Valle will move into the final.
Okay, here we go. Rashed again.
Hello, everybody, and welcome back to our Racer H2O broadcast here at rmgsports.net. Mike Young here for the final call. We only got about 3 more races left. This is our one of our consolation finals that is down on the starting line right now. We've got boat number 17, Rashed Aldawas, sponsored by Calas Performance out of the United Arab Emirates. And he is going to be taking on Michael Hernandez on the 01 Yamaha.
Okay, here we go.
Once again, getting everything locked down up there as we get ready to go. We're looking to the left, look to the right. There goes the light. We are off and away. I don't see a red flag. I see lane number 1 kicking booty. Lane number 1, Rashed Aldawas is what I have.
All right, Rashed got that one. So we move on.
Lane number 1, that was Rashed Aldawas that will take on Harold Ramos. So Harold Ramos, boat number 24, should be in lane number 1. Rashed Aldawas, winner of that last one, should be in lane number 2. Alrighty, looks like this could be a buy run right here. Boat number 24 not showing up out there on the launch pad. So I believe this will be Rashed Aldawas will get a pass, and he'll be taking on Carlito de Valle for the finals of the unlimited class.
Wait, that's Rashed. Yeah.
So Rashed Aldawas will take the win. Carlito de Valle, you're going to be in lane number 1. Rashed Aldawas, lane number 2, and it is the finals of the unlimited class. All right, so once again, Carlito de Valle, lane number 1. Rashed Aldawas, lane number 2, and this is for all the marbles, folks. This is what they've been testing. This is what they've been tuning for all season long. Who is it going to be? Carlito de Valle, Team CRT in lane number 1. And Team Calas Performance, Rashed Aldawas from the United Arab Emirates in lane number 2.
So the finals is Carlito and Rashed.
This is the final right here. If lane number 1 won, it is over. We are waiting to hear if lane number 1 won, it's over. If lane number 2 won, they'll come back and they'll switch them up. Lane number 1, Carlito de Valle, 2003 Fizzle Hydrodrag Pro Unlimited World Champion.
Carlito won. So we gave it, at least we are in the podium, and that's what matters with little Seadoos.
Lane number 1 took it in one race right there, so congratulations, Carlito de Valle. He will take the overall. Second place overall will be Rashed Aldawas. Third place overall here in the Unlimited class will be Harold Ramos.
Oh man, good. I got one jump in.
Number 1 fan right here.
Yes.
Number 1 fan.
Of both. Of
but
Of Calas and JP.
JP's
my buddy. JP sells me clothes. Calas won't.
Where we're from, they call it a stalker.
That's right.
Oh!
The stalker. Thank you, JP.
Man, I have to give thanks to Lewis. He was a savior. At 1 o'clock in the morning, we were picking up prop. And we went to this guy's house, and he opens the door in underwear. He came out, and he gave us all the tools we needed. And of course, we were there until like 3 o'clock in the morning. We got it done.
Once again, Rashed Aldawas, first place pro stock. So that is our first place pro stock winner. Second and that will be second place. So this is the first time I've ever done something like this. But Harold Ramos, I'm going to give you an outstanding sportsmanship award. Okay? This guy's come really far in the last couple of years. This young guy is a new beginning to our sport. Okay? He's rode his heart out, and I think Harold Ramos should get this. Okay, don't go too far. Also, first place super stock. Since he didn't give me no headache, no nothing. He took it like a champ, you know, and that was going from first place on that last class to over something really small because of some rules. He didn't give me no headache. Sorry. But I want to appreciate that, you know, and that's for that, okay? For that instance. But for our first place super stock, we got Harold Ramos. Once again, congratulations. Calas performance taking all 3. Let's get ready for 2024. Once again, this was the 2023 Fizzle Racing Hydrodrags World Championships. Thank you and drive safe.
One, two, three.
This was an amazing weekend. I cannot believe what we did as a team. We did a good job. A lot of people helped us. DDR, Saud was there. Sleepless nights with us. And we did it. We achieved something really, really hard. We won pretty much in every class. So next year will be better. Issues that keep coming, that's okay. That comes with it. But very proud of you. Very proud of you. So we see you guys on the next episode. Well guys, this has been the end of an amazing weekend. A lot of winning, a lot of hard nights.
Had lots of fun.
Yes, and we had a lot of fun. So I hope you guys, thank you very much, you know, and thank you for doing the job that you did. Well, you guys, to me, I feel like you guys did the most work. So I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as we did making it. So I'll see you guys on the next episode.
Let's see what happens.
Do it again. And let's see what happened afterwards.
Seriously? You made me not sleep last night. And that's the best thing you would say? Pitching props all night for you. Oh, no, I don't want. Finish. No, I didn't do nothing. I slept like a baby.
So what do you want to say about it?
Yeah, you're done. You're finished. Calas.
We have to give thanks. We have to give thanks to the DDR team. Especially Seadoo.
Yeah, I know. No, Rashed helped me.
I know. No,
Rashed.
Rashed is always there.
Yeah, the other guy just talking.
Long nights with these guys, and we made it happen. And I couldn't be more proud than
We are proud.
with these two guys.
The youngest racer in this event.
Yes.
They are the youngest.
So I hope you guys enjoy this video as
And
much
we
as
need
we
to have
did.
slave racing in Kuwait and Dubai and Saudi and everywhere. Okay, don't
We'll do
forget.
everywhere. Yeah.
Whatever he said. And we,
What is the humble Calas?
I'm running out of words. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as we did making it. So I'll see you guys.
And then guys, our video. Our video.
We're filming. Were you filming?
Yeah.
Oh, were you filming?
Wait, 1, 2, 3.
What you filming?
This is what I gotta deal with.
Go.
See?
What?
This is what I gotta deal with.
We gave
I'm getting
you
a
the champions, yeah?
I know this one.
No, we are the lucky charms.
No, it's okay, no, don't do that. No, it's okay. It's okay.
I don't trust us.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Cut! No! Start!
This is what we gotta deal with.
He did this one.
Look at this guy.
He did this one. Yeah, okay. No. Sharmuta.
Okay. We should put this at the end of the video of this.